Now our next topic is on page number 103, geological structure. Right? Here what we are going to discuss about the tectonic movement. Tectonic movement means what? Whatever is happening, under the earth crust. And that is what the tectonic movements. Why? Because of that, so many countries, so many continents happened or occurred. So that is what we are going to discuss. Crustal movement. Crustal movement means what? How this all rocks has been made. All this movement created by the crustal movement of the earth. Both constructive as well as destructive effect of this movements are seen. So tectonic and crustal movement can create both the things. One is constructive यानी किसी को बांधता भी है, and destructive movement means like for example sometimes tsunami happens, sometimes earthquake happens, right? So this is what the destructive movement. So because of that, the formation of many countries, formation of many continent happened because of this movement only. The knowledge about the interior of the earth is very interesting. If you will go to Google, you will understand how much the long our earth crust is. It is around more than 6,000 kilometer, right? It is under core देखो आप mantle देखो, so you will amazed this much it is over there. The crust of the earth floats over the semi-liquid rock of the astrosphere. Now astrosphere means what? Astrosphere क्या होता है कि this is a earth crust, right? Above earth crust, this is whole earth crust, then soil, thin layer, this is all what it is on the above. But the lower part of the earth crust, it is semi-liquid, right? And that part is known as a asthenosphere. Heat is generated due to the radioactive process in the interior of the earth. Now radioactive process means what? Because of the heat, because of the lava, because of the water, because of many chemicals combination happening inside the crust of the earth, it will create a radioactive movement, right? Because of that, sometimes you will see volcanoes, sometimes you will see earthquake. This happens because of the tectonic movement and the radioactive or convectional currents. It tends to reach the surface of the earth by generating convectional currents. तो ये जो भी अंदर, because of this in the earth, whatever the movements happens, so they all comes up because of the heat. There is lots of heats inside, and they will create a convectional currents inside. And this all convectional currents, definitely they will not go down, they will definitely comes up. So that will create a lots of changes on the earth crust. यानी जितने भी changes होते हैं वो क्यों होते हैं? Because of the convectional currents. Whatever the heat is over there, chemicals are over there, this will create a convectional current, right? This upward current break the upper layers, which break into large pieces which are known as a lithospheric plates. अब ये क्या है? Like this is the whole earth crust is there. Earth crust make and because of heat means this convectional currents are with a very high pressure and with very high heat, so that can break अराउंड. हमारा अर्थ क्रस्ट अगर आप देखने जाओ तो एक एक प्लेट ही 100 किलोमीटर्स की बनी हुई है. दैट दे आर दैट मच थिक. And when we talk about the earth crust, our earth crust is only 5 to 10 kilometers, right? So you can imagine कि अगर 5 to 10 kilometers का है तो उसको तोड़ने के लिए whatever the pressure of convectional current is how much. तो ये जितने भी convectional currents ऊपर आते हैं तो that will break the earth crust. अर्थ क्रस्ट को क्या करते हैं? ये तोड़ देते हैं. And they converted into the convectional plates, or you can say the lithospheric plates. Lithospheric यानी अर्थ क्रस्ट की जो प्लेट्स बनती है वो, और टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स. There are 7 major tectonic plates around in our the world. There are around 20 tectonic plates. But which are the important tectonic plates जिससे countries बने या continent बने? That what we are going to discuss. One is Pacific plate, second is North American plate, third is South American plate, European plate, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, and Antarctic plate. So these are the most important 7 plates of our country. So on this plate the whole continent has been made. So you can imagine how long, thick, wide, broad these plates are. At some places these plates are drifting away from each other, which are known as the divergent plates. Now here what we are going to discuss कि ये ocean कैसे बने, how Himalayan mountains happened, right? So that what we are going to understand by this plates, different types of plate. First what we are going to discuss, divergent plates. Divergent plates means what? One plate move this side and other plate move this side. So they slowly they create space between the earth. Like for example, अगर मैं एक example दूँ तो there was a billions years ago there is only one land that is known as a Gondwana land. गोंडवाना लैंड में ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी आ गया, अंटार्कटिका भी आ गया, इंडिया भी आ गया, ये सब जुड़े हुए थे. They all are together, right? But in the millions and billions of years, because of the divergent movement, अब आप देखो तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया कहाँ पे है, यूरोप कहाँ पे है, एशिया कहाँ पे है, they all apart, means they depart from each other so far, right? So because of that, why this happened? Because of the divergent movement. And when divergent movement, ये ऐसा नहीं होता है कि एक साल में हो जाता है, it takes millions of years. Earth crust moves from each other, it will take 1 millimeter में 100 साल में वो इतना सा हटता है 1 millimeter. So it takes billions and billions of years to move apart. That is known as a divergent plate. अब उसमें से यहाँ पे जो space हुई, right, whatever the space has been created, so because of that rain water, then glacier water, this all has been accumulated here. तो उससे क्या हो गए? Oceans बन गए, right? Rivers बने, valleys बने. तो this is why divergent plays a very important role. This is what the divergent plate is, very important plate. Now another is convergent plate. Convergent plate का मतलब क्या होता है? एक प्लेट के ऊपर दूसरा प्लेट पास में आ जाता है, तो दैट इज नोन एज अ डाइवर्जेंट प्लेट. अब मैंने बोला कि अर्थ क्रस्ट इज अराउंड 10 किलोमीटर्स. तो हाउ हिमालयाज हैपेंड? हिमालयाज कैसे बना? ऐसे ही उग गया? नहीं. हिमालयाज हाउ हैपेंड? व्हेन दिस कन्वर्जेंट प्लेट्स हैपेंस, मींस कन्वर्जेंस ऑफ द प्लेट. यानी जैसे कि मैंने यहाँ से मिट्टी का ढेर लिया और यहाँ से मिट्टी का ढेर लिया और दोनों इकट्ठा किया तो एक तरह सा थोड़ा सा माउंड बन गया. तो उसी तरह से when convergent happened in this both the plates, तो it is around 10 किलोमीटर्स का अगर width है एक प्लेट का, तो वो दोनों एक साथ में आएंगे और टकराएंगे तो how much rumble will create, right? So because of that what happened, the whole Himalaya mountains has been created. So because of the convergent plate, the whole Himalayan mountains, layers of the Himalayan mountains, ranges of the Himalayan mountains happened. Himalayan mountains के नीचे Tethys Sea था, वो पूरा sea खत्म हो गया and that will be covered with the rumbles and the whole Himalayan mountains. And Himalayan mountains are very young. They are not very old. They are the young fold mountains. Now at the same places that plates come closer to each other, which are known as convergent plates, right? Due to the divergence and convergence process, folding and folding take place, right? And due to the movement, this plates over millions of years, shapes of landforms as well as their location have changed. जो मैंने बोला कि it in millions of years उनके shapes भी change हो जाते हैं. There the location also change and they have changed in many times. Like here transform boundary. So transform boundary में क्या होता है? Plates एक ऊपर जाती है और एक plate नीचे जाती है. So in millions of years, because of the boundaries, what happened? If you will see millions and billions of years ago, after when we talk about after millions and billions of years, maybe India is somewhere, maybe Australia is somewhere, maybe we are connected with Australia. So it can happen because of the divergent movement and transform boundary. So process of divergence is responsible for all the tectonic and volcanic activities of the earth. So this divergent movement create a tectonic and volcanic activities on the earth. Wherever this drifting plates have collided with one another, it is has resulted into mountain building process. Means ये drifting जैसे कि वो जब भी एक साथ होती है, यानी दे plates will drift with each other, जुड़ जाती है, तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हाट यू हैव सीन मेनी माउंटेन्स बिल्डिंग प्रोसेस यू हैव सीन. Wherever these plates drift away, fissures are created within landforms and oceans. और जब ये अलग होती है तो fissures create, जगह हो जाती है, तो because of that what happens, oceans created, landforms are created. This continent situated along these fissures are drifting continuously. Such plates are called convergent plates. ये convergent plates है. The continent situated along these fissures, यानी जो fissures के पास में जो है वो अभी भी अलग हो रहे हैं. They are drifting from each other continuously. Such plates are called divergent plates.